Barbie Forteza update. May special block screening pa nga si Barbie mula sa Abinon Clinic na endorsement ni Barbie. Grabe yun. Ang ganyan ka-busy si Barbie. Ayan nag-host. Ayan si Martin Javier. Ayan si Barbie, oh. Congrats kay Barbie.
P77 really took us on a journey. Diba, suspense, horror. For taking the time out of your busy lives to enjoy this movie with us. To Miss Barbie Forteza and the rest of GMA Sparkle team, congratulations on this blockbuster movie.
You know, blockbuster
to the fans
movie,
of Barbie and the patients and friends of
Yan, ako po si Barbie Forteza. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat for taking your time to be here and watch GMA Pictures Horror Offering P77. To Avenyon family, maraming salamat sa inyong full support po sa akin all the time, and especially now I feel so loved. I feel so special kasi this night would be possible without Avenyon and Travertine. And also, all of you guys, thank you. Martin, maraming salamat. Alam mo, nagpunta ka para manood, pero nakapag-work ka pa nga. Oo.
Siyempre, support.
Maraming salamat. To Sparkle also, nandito po ang aking Sparkle family. Maraming salamat po. To Barbie Natics, thank you po. Sa lahat po ng patients and clients of Avenyon Clinic who are here. To the staff, maraming salamat po.
Okay. So, before we go, let's take a photo, Sir Chris. With partner.
Hindi siya ganun ka-horror. Kumbaga may mga...
Convinced ba kayo?
May jump scare, syempre. I-cater natin, syempre, ang horror fans. Pero, more than that...
Pinagkagulo na si Barbie. Diyan sa baba. Ang daming picture Barbie. Ayan na nga. Ang Team Abinon. Kasama rin mga Barbie Natics. Si Barbie, you know. Congrats kay Barbie. Yung blockbuster movie ni Barbie. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Cherry Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.